how to make money on Pinterest. So guys, I'm going to show you a quick and easy beginner's guide. Let's jump right in. If you want to make money on Pinterest, then stop using it like a regular social media app. Pinterest isn't really built for just posting stuff. It works more like a search engine. So first switch your account over to a business account so you can see analytics and trending data. Then choose one specific niche like home decor, fitness, tech, or fashion. After that, start creating vertical pins with strong titles that help solve problems people are already searching for. Now this is where the money starts coming in. Don't just upload random pins. Every pin should lead somewhere. You can send people to affiliate products, your blog, a digital product, or even your own services. For example, if someone clicks your pin and buys something through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Next, use trending keywords in your pin titles and descriptions so Pinterest knows who should see your content. The more focused your content is, the better chance you have of getting clicks and sales. Most beginners fail because they post without a real strategy. The people making real money on Pinterest treat every pin like a traffic source, not just another post. Still have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.